Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated devices in iQOO's lineup, the iQOO Neo 10 Pro. Known for its performance-driven features and robust design, the Neo 10 Pro takes the mid-range phone experience to a new level, particularly for gamers and power users. Let's explore everything from its powerful processor to its advanced battery setup and see if this device can live up to the hype. Let's start with the design and build. The Neo 10 Pro sports a modern, sleek design with a flat 1.5K display, providing both vibrant visuals and durability. The flat display, surrounded by a metallic frame, not only looks premium but also feels solid in hand, making it perfect for those who prefer a stylish yet durable device. The device also features an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, enhancing the user experience with quick, reliable unlock speeds. It's designed to perform well in any lighting conditions, which is a nice touch for a mid-range phone. The Neo 10 Pro's display is a real highlight. We're looking at a 1.5K resolution panel, ensuring high clarity for videos, games, and daily browsing. iQOO has opted for a high refresh rate display, rumored to reach 144 Hz, providing super smooth scrolling and an immersive experience for gamers and general users alike. The display's colors are rich, and with HDR support, videos and images truly pop. It's a device that promises solid performance under all lighting conditions, indoors and outdoors. Under the hood, the Neo 10 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400. This new processor is tailored for performance and efficiency, making it ideal for high-end gaming, multitasking, and AI processing. Combined with up to 12 GB of RAM, it ensures smooth handling of multiple apps, heavy tasks, and more. Gaming enthusiasts will appreciate the Mali G720 GPU, which powers through graphics-intensive games like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile with ease. It's clear iQOO has optimized this device to handle demanding games and heavy multitasking smoothly. Moving to the camera, the Neo 10 Pro is expected to bring a strong triple camera setup, headlined by a 50MP primary sensor. This main camera captures vibrant and detailed photos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting in low light or under bright sun, the sensor's dynamic range and AI enhancements ensure impressive results. The ultra-wide sensor captures wider fields, perfect for landscapes and group photos. Additionally, the 2MP macro lens gives close-up shots and added level of detail, bringing out textures and small features. For video, the main camera supports 4K recording at 30 frames per second, which is a great touch for content creators on the go. Now, let's talk power. The Neo 10 Pro houses a massive 6500 mAh battery, designed to keep you connected through long days of streaming, gaming, and browsing. And when it's time to recharge, the 100W fast charging support is a game-changer, offering rapid top-ups in just a few minutes. While wireless charging may be absent, the ultra-fast wired charging ensures you're not stuck waiting, even when you're on the go. This feature is particularly useful for gamers and power users who need minimal downtime. Running on OS 5 based on Android 15, the Neo 10 Pro promises a smooth, feature-rich experience. OS 5 brings new customization options, enhanced privacy controls, and optimized animations that feel natural and responsive. Plus, with Android 15 as the base, you're getting the latest features and security enhancements right out of the box. Another strong point is that iQOO has committed to 3 years of major Android updates and 4 years of security patches. This long-term support ensures that you're getting a future-proof device that will stay current with software advancements. Connectivity is another strong suit of the Neo 10 Pro. The device supports Wi-Fi 6E 5G connectivity and Bluetooth 5.3 for reliable, fast connections. This phone also includes NFC for contactless payments, which is a must-have for many users today. Audio performance is also a key focus, with dual stereo speakers enhancing the overall multimedia experience. Whether you're gaming or watching videos, the sound quality is crisp and immersive, giving a premium audio experience. To wrap things up, the iQOO Neo 10 Pro is shaping up as an impressive option in the mid-range category. With its powerful Dimensity 9400 processor, high-resolution display, long-lasting battery, and strong camera setup, it's a device designed for users who want performance without compromising on versatility. Priced competitively in the mid-range segment, the Neo 10 Pro is an ideal choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone looking for a premium experience without a flagship price tag. So, what do you think? Is the iQOO Neo 10 Pro on your list? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Xplorer for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech.